I get so many questions about how to tone and lift your butt, tone your thighs, expand the thighs, men and women, especially as you get older. This is a great exercise. I do this actually like 3 to 4 times a week. It's a little circuit. It's short, it's quick. Add it to your routine. All you need is these ankle weights. Mine are 5 pounds each. So strap them on. If there's one piece of equipment that I cannot live without, it is literally these ankle weights. I know it feels back to the 1980s Jane Fonda. Jane Fonda, this tribute is to you. But they have literally become my very, very favorite piece of equipment from a girl that doesn't use a lot of equipment. So here we go. You might want a chair to hang on to, or a bench, but you're just going to bend over, grab onto the chair, the ground, whatever, and just lift the legs. That's it. So you're gonna point the toe, flex the foot, point and flex. And every time you lift that leg, you try to lift it a little higher, just like you're trying to lift the butt, which you are, literally lifting your ass. That's it. And you can start with maybe 10 to 15 and work up to 25 to 30 even. That's it. Lift. Let's do 5 more right here. Come on, stay with me. A little higher every time. 3, 2, 1. Hold it lifted. Now pulse. That's it. These little tiny micro movements have really big impact. That's it. Here's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it up. Now little tiny circles, any direction, because you're gonna get both directions, don't worry. 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. I know your leg is on fire, your butt is on fire right now. That's what we want. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now airplane. So you're gonna bend the knee, trying to get to your outside elbow and back, kind of like your wings of a plane. So bring that knee in and shoot it back. In, shoot it back. That's it. Let's go for 5. Kick it out. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And we're gonna turn around and get that on the other side. So remember, straight leg lift, flex the foot at the top. Nice. Flex, point the toe, bring it up a little bit higher every single time. We love this. Toning and sculpting right here. That's it. Let's go for 5 more. Here's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it here. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Tiny little micro movement pulses, just 1 inch up, 1 inch down. Nice, you love this. Here's 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you can, hang on to it. Little circles. That's it. 10 each direction. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch sides. 9, 8, 7, 6, 3, 2, 1. And remember, outside knee to outside ankle. You've got this. Hang on to it. I know this is so much tougher than it looks. I would rather do burpees than do these. Knock out the burpees. Get breathless right away. Your leg will not fall off, or I promise. It'll just get tight and toned. That's 3, 2, and 1. Nice job, you're almost there. Now, on your hands and knees, they call these fire hydrants. You're gonna open your knee out to the side and in. Open and down. That's it. Feeling it really in the glute med, right here, or in the middle of your ass. And nice job. Open and close. Nice. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Here's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now this time you're going to take that knee in and then open the hip. So take it in, almost like a crunch, and then open the hip out. That's it. Open and close. You can bring it up to tempo here. Nice. Let's go. We've got 5 more. Here's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you're going to straighten this leg. With a straight leg, you're going to pretend like your other foot, your bent foot, is a fence. And you're going to take that foot over the fence. Touch, toe touch, side to side. That's it. Touch, touch. Nice. This is the last exercise. And you're done with this leg. You've got it. Here's 4, 3, 2, and 1. And let's go for that whole thing on the other side. So open and close. Open and close. And really feel it, every inch of it, in your glutes, in your butt. Kind of a funny exercise here. It goes a long way. That's it. This is where you think about back to your goals. I always say that whenever you're feeling tired or there's pain, you have to kind of embrace it and think about, okay, what's the reason? There's a reason we're doing this. 3, what got you up and started? 2, 1, and remember, take that knee inner, almost kind of in front of your opposite knee, and open the hip up. In and open. Lift it at the top of that kick. Beautiful. Nice. Practice, everybody. Let's go for 5 more. We're almost there. Ass on fire workout. That's actually what we need to call this. The ass on fire workout. 2 and 1. Straighten that leg. Hop it over the fence. Nice. 5, 6. Come on, stay with me. Last 4, 3, 2, and 1. And down, and awesome job, ladies and gentlemen. That was your butt on fire workout. Don't forget, if you haven't got these ankle weights yet, they're very inexpensive. They are worth it. Home fitness equipment, perfect. Don't forget to leave your comments below. What kind of exercises do you want to see? What are your fitness goals, your health goals? Meet me on ValeoFit.com. We have new articles, new workout videos, new recipes, new hacks coming out every single week. And you can follow us on Instagram at Move with Valeo. I'm your coach, Amanda Russell. Have a great day.